Hello guys, this is Technomax 9 tutorial and you're here with me, Maureen Realte. Today I'm going to teach you how to design this rocket graphic design in PowerPoint. So we'll have a look at it. Okay, now I've already created this new blank slide and I have these color palettes so that I can use them. You can download the PPT in the description below for free, and you'll have these color palettes as well so that you can use the same exact color that I have used in this tutorial. So the first thing you have to do is go to design, go to format background and use this color, or you can just go directly right click and use format background out here. That is the shortcut key, and close it. Now once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, and from shapes choose this heart shape and draw a heart that looks like this, and duplicate this heart, and from rotate use flip vertical and place it right above the previous heart we have created. Now select both of them and go to merge shapes and press union. Now duplicate this heart shape for like about 5 times. Now there you go. We'll work on this one first. Go to shape outline, no outline. Go to shape fill and use this white color. Choose one of these. Go to shape outline, no outline, and from insert go to shapes and use this rectangle and draw a rectangle that will intersect right in the middle so that we can have only the other piece, the other half piece. So go to merge shapes and subtract, and from shape fill use this eyedropper and use this color and place it right above here. Now once you've done that, take the other piece here, go to shape outline, no outline, go to shape fill and use an eyedropper and choose this color, and go to insert, go to shapes and use oval and draw an oval that looks like this. Place it right in the middle, select both of them and go to merge shapes and subtract and place this right here. Now duplicate this, and with the insert key and shapes, use a rectangle again and intersect this right in the middle. Select both of them, go to merge shapes and subtract, and from shape fill eyedropper and use this color. Now once you've done that, use this shape, go to shape outline, no outline, and then duplicate this, place it above, select both of them, press merge shapes and subtract, then go to insert, go to shapes and use oval, with the arrow key on your keyboard just make it a little bit higher, select both of them, go to merge shapes and subtract, and shape outline to no outline, shape fill eyedropper to this yellow color, place it, right click, send to front, and place it right here. Now once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, and choose this rounded, this oval, and draw something like this. Shape outline to weight about, let's say 4. Then shape outline eyedropper to this yellow color, and shape fill to, let's say, this, and place it right here in the middle. Now once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, go to oval, and draw an oval. Duplicate the oval, select both of them, merge shapes, subtract, shape outline to none, shape fill eyedropper to this. I'm gonna duplicate this, place it like this, and send this to back and place it here. Choose this, select, go to insert, go to shapes, rectangle, slice it right in the middle again. Select both of them, merge shapes, subtract, and shape fill to this. Place it here, send to back, and this one send to back. Now once you've done that, take this, format, shape outline, no outline, shape fill to this, make it small, to about this size, place it here, and right click and send to bring to front, and duplicate this, go to insert, shapes, rectangle, and we're gonna slice it again. Select both of them, go to merge shapes and subtract, and from shape fill with the eyedropper, choose this color and place it here. Now that's done, go to insert, go to shapes, and choose this, draw that looks something like this, and rotate to flip vertical, outline, no outline, shape fill to red, place it here, and send to back. Now once you've done that, use this last shape we have, shape outline, node outline, shape fill eyedropper to this color, and send to back. Duplicate this and keep one more here, place it here, make it smaller, Now with this one, make it smaller again, and from shape fill, eyedropper to this, send to back, and right click, bring forward. Now that will do the trick. Yeah, place it like this. Now we've done the rocket part. Select all of them and press Ctrl G to group. We have the rocket now. Now we'll draw the background, the clouds and the sky. Go to insert, go to shapes, and use this oval and draw an oval. Right click, send to back, place it in the middle of the rocket. Shape outline, no outline. Shape fill, eyedropper to this. Now once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, and use this shape to that looks like this. Place it here. Wait, before you place it, send to back first and right click, bring forward. Now shape fill, no outline, shape fill to white. Now go to insert, go to shapes, use oval, draw an oval that looks like this. Make it a little bit like this, duplicate it, turn it like this, duplicate one more time, select the three of them and union, shape fill to no outline, shape outline to no outline, shape fill to this color, duplicate this, send to back, right click, bring forward, and do this. Now once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, and from shapes choose this and draw something like this and flip it a bit, duplicate this yellow huge oval, right click, bring front, right click, bring front, and place it here, select both of them, merge shapes, intersect. Now shape outline, no outline, shape fill to white, and place it here. Now once you've done that, duplicate this, place it here, shape fill to this, and duplicate this, bring forward, select both of them, merge shapes, intersect, and place it here. Now go to insert, go to shapes, oval, and that looks like this. Paste it here, shape outline to no outline, shape fill, dropper to this, duplicate this, paste it here, turn it around like this, make it smaller. Okay. Now go to insert, go to shapes, use an oval like this, turn it a bit this way, duplicate it, turn it a bit this way, duplicate it, turn it like this, make it a little bit bigger, place it here, duplicate it one more time, turn it like this, make it like this, select all of them, go to merge shapes and union, go to shape outline, no outline, shape fill to this, and place it here, duplicate it here, rotate to vertical, place it here, select all of them, Ctrl G to group them, and place it right in the center. There you go. That was the tutorial for today. I hope it isn't that difficult. I'm having some issues with my laptop, so I couldn't be so fast. Anyways, I hope you like the tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can give you more tutorials. Please support and please help. Thank you so much.